So it's like real sunny out, and so we've had the door open, which has been amazing. Today I need to stack some parts up on these pallets so we can get these out to our clients. They've been kind of languishing about the shop, so it's gonna be nice to get them organized. Usually this is a thing that we do together, but just me today, so we'll get that done. I think we're gonna clean up some of the air cleaner filters. They're pretty gross and they start to suck really hard and just needs to be done. Maybe some CNC maintenance if we get to that, because it's overdue and I need to get that thing greased up so we stop having X-axis alarms every time we do a rapid move. So, all right, let's do it. that was a lot of roundovers. I'm not really sure how many, somewhere near half of the whole order though, so that's quite a bit. So it's 10:20. I'm gonna start editing this vlog now. And on that note, it's been a little arduous to make these daily, so I may take a little break, maybe go every other day, I'm not sure yet. But I've been wanting it to grow a little more than it has. I've really appreciated all the comments. It's been fun to make. I've enjoyed the kind of like mental challenge of filming and doing my work, but it is getting a little tiring. This is somewhat of a normal schedule. And I don't know, if you could do one thing for me, that'd be really awesome. If you could share this with somebody, share the vlog, share your favorite episode. I could put a playlist link right below. You can share it on Instagram in a story, or I'm not sure, email, Facebook, if you use Facebook, Twitter. I'd really appreciate that, and I'd love to see it grow a little bit more. So with that, I think I'm gonna sign off tonight. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks.